Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with another video. If you are new here, my name is Nicola. Guys, from you see the caption, you know what time it is. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna be cooking some curry chicken today. Let me show you guys what I have. So here I have the chicken. I already cut it up already, so I'm gonna clean it up now and wash with lime and vinegar. And these are all the dry seasoning I'm gonna be adding in my chicken. Here I have pimento seed, I have some thyme, some onions, sweet pepper. These are all sweet pepper as well, and hot pepper, and some Irish potato. Stay tuned, guys. This is the curry. So now I saran wrap, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for like 2 hours. You can season and cook the same time, but I'm gonna put my one in the refrigerator for like 2 hours. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, we already have this meat seasoned. Maybe like 2 hours or more. So now I'm gonna set it on the stove. Stay tuned. Smell this, so it smells so good because it can marinate for a couple hours now. Guys, don't let the curry burn too much because it can make the meat get dark. So this is it. Don't add any water as yet. Let it stay there and start to fill up with the paste and everything. So we're not adding no water yet. So now we just have to add a small amount of water. Don't add a lot of water because you're not boil the meat, yeah? Because when you add a lot of water, the meat not going to taste good. Stay tuned, guys. Got the gravy nice. So guys, this is the curry chicken. Yes, this is it. Tastes really good. Look good. YouTube family and friends, I come to the end of this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.